I wanted to do a quick video of this. It's not a review. This is obviously something I just received. And I wanted to kind of do an unboxing here on the channel, because I will probably be doing a review of this on my Tech Gooch channel. This is a slow juicer from Hazel Quinn that I backed on Kickstarter. It arrived today. I just got home. I thought I'd do a little unboxing video. Little user manual there. And this is what looked like pretty solid juicer, specifically for the money that they were selling them for on Kickstarter. And very simple. It's a slow juicer. It's you know, I have a couple other juicers we don't use regularly just because they're kind of pain in the butt with how hard they are to clean. So put the jars there, okay. Them there, and then the actual mechanism itself. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Let's get everything out and then bring it in here. So obviously we have different size jars that come with it. We have this piece here, which I would think kind of goes up on top, right? And then we have this guy here. Looks like it should just pops right in. And then there's a button there to release right there. Well, that's pretty awesome. And then we have the smaller jar goes there, and the bigger one goes there. And then this guy goes up top, and you're probably not seeing that. And that goes up there like that. Okay. All right, so backing up just a little bit, you can kind of see, right? Everything kind of goes here, how everything is. Big jar, small jar, and everything kind of goes out there. And like I said, again, the button right here is how you take everything apart. I believe everything is actually dishwasher safe. So that's, obviously I'm going to wash this before I actually use it. On the dial here, I'll be honest, because of how shiny this is, it's not the easiest to see, but you can see there's a 0, there's a reverse setting, and then there's a soft and a hard setting. So pretty quick, simple in how to use it. Just kind of go with it, right? And but yeah, that's that. And then down here where the stuff goes, there's a little lever to kind of seal it up. Interesting. And so I also wanted to look at, obviously, so what I got to do before I actually use this is clean this thing, right? Button. And then there's a unlock. Oh yeah. Oh, that's awesome. That comes right apart. And then I think this all stays together is what it kind of looks like. I think that this all kind of stays together. But this piece obviously comes out. Oh, look at that. And even that slides out of there. Oh, that's stupid easy to clean. I like it. So yeah, there we go.
Somebody come over the dishwasher. That's where the peels go?
It's juices, and then it puts the pulp, like the dry pulp, on the other side. All right, go ahead and stick more in there.
I think that's it. Is that one orange? Yeah. Okay.
Maybe for that, since apples are harder, I'm gonna juice it up. Let's go to the next level. Honey crisp apple juice.
It's a lot more juice than the oranges have.
Mm-hmm.
It's pulp in it. Yeah.
It's amazing how dry that pulp is. So looking at the book, it's clean it with water. You don't put it in the dishwasher. I was kind of hoping for that, but then again, in all reality, as long as it comes apart real easy like this and then rinses off, and they recommend doing it right away, right after you're done juicing. I can't see it as being a big deal. That's why I got it. It's nice, it's small, it's compact, and in all reality, looks like it's going to be a great addition to our kitchen. So I will have a review of this soon on Tech Gucci. I'll put a link down in the description. But we got to use it first and put some use into it and do a whole bunch of different fruit. We'll find out. Thanks for watching. See you soon.